and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply turn on private browsing in Safari on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So when you turn on your Safari, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on the tabs button, usually located at the bottom right corner. Once you do this, you can simply swipe left on the tab bar until you see the private option, then tap it. So once you simply tap on the private option, you can go and open the new private tab or select an existing one within the private tab group. So here you will not find any histories or anything that you search in your private browsing, and you can simply unrestrict anything like privacy contents from your setting itself as well. And once you go back to your Safari, you will be able to find everything on your web browser, and that will be private. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.